If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Start Microsoft Excel 2013. This is Excel file. Now I'm gonna insert some record. This is about customer info. Change the font size, yes. Now customer name, and then the second column is CD, third column is contact. Okay, now records are customer name Christina, and the city is New York, and contact 95255, and I'm just inserting some record to display how to find record, find cell, or how to remove duplicate record from a Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay, these are the records I just inserted in this sheet, Excel sheet. The Jack, Chicago, and the contact. Okay, you can see, and here are Chicago, two Chicago city, the two guys in Chicago city. One bold true. Okay, now I'm gonna insert one more column in the left side. This is for serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I just select customer name column, Christina, John, Jack, Sandy. Go to the home and go to the conditional formatting. In this home conditional formatting, select conditional formatting, go to the drop down duplicate value. Now I'm gonna find duplicate value. You can see the duplicate value Jack 2 times, so it's highlighted with the red color, and the back color is mysterious. So you can change the color value with green fill, a light red fill. You can see when you select one custom format, you can make it italic, bold italic. You can see, and the Jack is which is duplicate, it's changed the font size and color. Okay, now I'm gonna select CD. How many are duplicate? You can see New York 2 times and Chicago 2 times. Same as you can change yellow will fill with dark. Okay, now I'm gonna find duplicate result in a separate column. You can see they're the same column. Now I'm gonna find duplicate value which result will be in separate column. In that case, you should write countif equal to countif a column, not a column, b customer name b in the it will applied in customer name column. And see before means Christina greater than 1. I mean Christina is single, there is no duplicate name with Christina, but in the John also single, but Jack is duplicate, so in the duplicate value it's displaying result as true. See that in the duplicate value Jack is true, and the 2 times it's displaying the Jack, so it's displaying the result true in the separate column. Okay, now I'm gonna find duplicate value for city column. Okay, same as count if C4 CC and then C4 greater than 1. You can see New York is 2 times that's why it's displaying true, and Atlanta is single time, so it's displaying result as false. If you highlight it, you can see New York, Chicago. This 2 CD is duplicate in this column, CD column. So Atlanta is single, so it's false, and Los Angeles also. Remove duplicate value in a column. to remove duplicate value, go to the data menu and remove duplicate. Click on remove duplicate, expand the selection, continue with the current selection. If you select continue with the current selection, it will apply only in customer name. Duplicate value, you can see customer name, which is duplicate, it will be deleted to the duplicate. Okay, you can see now here is single jack, the duplicate jack is removed. Adding one more record, you can see this is Sandy. You can see the Sandy is duplicate. Okay, now remove duplicate, expand the selection. Now it will delete whole records. Remove duplicate record by focusing selected column. You can see it's a select all column, SLCD, customer name. Okay, it will remove based on customer name. So yes, see that Jack Sandy was duplicate, but now it's deleted two records, Jack and Sandy. So now it's single. There is only six, not six record. Now see that Jack Sandy duplicate. Now I'm gonna show you in city column. You can see New York duplicate, Chicago duplicate. Remove duplicate, deselect all, and then just only select city. It will remove based on city. Yes, see that New York and Chicago, it's now single, and the duplicate value already removed.